individual setup, in the personal setup, rather than in the professional setup. That is the culture of India. I mean, the book which is written by Amartya Sen, Argument, talks about we like arguments, we like debating, but probably we don't come out in open into a professional setup to debate. We might debate with our friends or colleagues or in the family members, and probably we put forth very strong arguments for or against for any topic, and we have opinion about everything. That is a typical trait of Indians. Indians will have opinion about everything, and it's good. I mean, it's a great idea to have opinion, because whether it is right or wrong is secondary. Primary is, do I have an opinion on a particular approach, subject, topic, issue? And if I have an opinion, at least I have given it a thought, and maybe someone will correct me. But if I have no opinion, then I will probably be misguided. So right and wrong opinion is okay, as far as we have opinion. And that is where we thought that there needs to be a platform which helps everyone to raise their opinion professionally, in a professional setup, rather than debate in an individual setup or individual premise. And this also helps organizations where organizations, for example, when people are debating, it brings in collaboration amongst themselves. It helps in improving the team spirit, because we start accepting difference of opinion. Accepting a difference of opinion. There was a saying which says, though I do not agree with what you say, but I will defend till my death your right to say it. I may agree or don't agree with what you are saying, but I will defend your freedom or right to speak up. I don't agree, but I will defend it. So this is the culture probably that needs to set up across organizations, amongst teams, amongst people, amongst superiors and their juniors, or your team leaders and their team members, or project managers and their project teams. But it should not happen that it ends up into a mess where everyone is only debating and not working. So debates are good, maybe in a particular setup, in a particular time frame, and this will bring in some clarity on whatever we have been doing, and whatever our opinions are, will give us opportunity to raise those opinions. People who are judging here, they will be able to see a perspective, probably which may not come into light, and people may not speak those up generally. But when it is a debate environment, it is like they are speaking their own opinion. They are not pointing out at anyone. They are not saying who is right or wrong, but they are speaking for their opinion. And judges will be able to see whether are there any relevance to it, or is it making sense, or are you going off track. Even if you are going off track, they will be able to point out, or maybe give a recommendation, or maybe give their perspective, because everyone will have a different perspective. So this is the third year. First year we did it only for individuals in open house, and then we realized that going to every individual and getting them to participate is more time consuming. It requires a lot of efforts. Then we started, second year we started approaching companies, and companies started participating. And this is the third year of the event, and I thank everyone here who are doing a part of it. And next year probably, and we also have plans to expand it to international level. So this is at the India level right now. I am already in talks with a lot of companies in Middle East. So at least Asia Pacific level, if we can take it to that is what I am trying and striving to. So Middle East has shown a lot of interest into this concept. A lot of companies have shown interest. If possible, we will expand it. If not this year, at least next year we will be able to expand it and take it to the international level. That is the aim. And this debate will comprise of basically your scoring on various parameters like communication skills, presentation skills, your objection handling, how do you put forth your opinion, how do you put forth the industry relevance or facts and figures, etc. I don't know whether people who are presenting here or debating here have got those parameters already. If they have not, maybe we will clarify those, where the focus is generally balance weightage on communication, presentation, objection handling, arguments, etc. So it's already there. selected from different sources like different companies, some open house rounds and different people who will be coming and basically you will be debating against. So this is a 3-tiered contest, a preliminary round, or I would say 4-tier, preliminary, city level round, semi-final and final. Preliminary round is just to shortlist the right kind of speakers and presenters and people and relevant skills and knowledge. Second tier is the city level where the people from particular city are shortlisted. So we are doing it across 7 cities right now. Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, Hyderabad, all the major IT cities basically. Wherever Tech Mahindra is located, I think Tech Mahindra is also located. Yeah. So wherever Tech Mahindra is located. So those kind of, so all 7 IT focused cities we are doing this now. Then there will be semi-final at Pune and Bangalore. So people from Chennai, Hyderabad will contest at Bangalore who are shortlisted at city level. And then final we have kept at Pune. Because traditionally Pune did not have such kind of event. Bangalore had been the biggest IT population, I would say. Such kind of events are generally done at Bombay, or Mumbai for the commercial and for the recognition of the that is what generally the contests happen. But Pune as such was not having such a contest or such a platform, so we thought Pune should be a final round for such kind of things. So that's it about what this event is. If you have any question or query, you can raise those, or then we can probably otherwise we can start. Anyone please. Any questions? Anything on that
Yeah.
Discussion on the no, so first 2-3 minutes you will present a generic view about the topic, and then okay, yeah. So the format is going to be topic is selected, and then people will if one person will speak for, another against. If you agree on for and against already, then we don't have to worry about it. But if you have both want to speak for and both want to speak against, then we will toss the coin, and whosoever wins speaks first, and the person who speaks first decides his position. The last 5 minutes is for conclusions and giving a summary, summarizing on the same point. No, summarizing, taking into perspective both the sides that though these are the points said, this is what this person or my opponent said, and this is what I said, and based on this I conclude that this is the right way.
So it's a common summary for both for and against.
Yes. So, but you want to highlight your stand, why it is more important in the conclusion.
Yeah. So the summary, what we give is actually
your side. You give a summary for your side. Why you think it's still whatever your opponent said, still why